Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The evening of 1st June was dedicated to getting to know and breathe a little of the atmosphere that will be experienced in Lisbon and the journey that the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Piedmont and Vella de Aosta will undertake before and after World Youth Day. An opportunity to meet friends and experience a place where they can celebrate together. The evening began with listening to some testimonies from participants in the last WYD for whom it was a turning point in their lives. In particular, the testimony of a Salesian and a married couple. It was also an opportunity to receive some practical information and pointers for the style that will be experienced over the days in Lisbon. A time for sharing followed. After supper together, they were divided by age groups to reflect on what will be the personal contribution of each one to the WYD and what is expected from this experience. Finally, a moment of prayer with entrustment to Mary. In the late evening, there was a torchlight procession in the courtyards at Valdoco before the Salesian Good Night from Father Leonardo Mancini, Superior of the Piedmont and Vella de Aosta Special Circumscription, ICP. He quoted the motto of the WYD in Lisbon, urging the young people to arise carefully to meet others. More than 1,000 young athletes from 15 Salesian works belonging to Spain's Mary Help of Christians province gathered in Alicante in the 3rd of June to celebrate the 21st edition of the Inter-Salesian Games. This competition, founded in 2001, focuses on the importance of sport as an educational medium and takes place every year on a single day in a different venue each time and is open to all who want to enjoy a day of healthy sport and its values. After the opening, the day included various competitions which covered various sports in different categories: basketball, soccer, volleyball and 8-a-side football. At the end of the competition, the trophies were delivered and a closing act took place. For many boys and girls, teenagers and young adults, playing sport is a fun activity, an opportunity to exercise, to meet friends in an environment of creativity and self-realization, important factors in helping them gain a balanced personality. The Presa Region Museum hosted a conference on 3rd and 4th of June 2023 dedicated to the 100th anniversary of the foundation of St. Joseph Salesian Parish in Presa. The conference, organized in advance of solemn celebrations for the centenary of the Salesian Parish, 18 November 1923 to 2023, explored the theme, the Salesians in Prairie Mizil, History, Identity, Culture, and was divided into two parts: Footprints from the Past and Salesian Identity, Culture, Art. At the opening of the conference were Jan Jaros, Director of the National Museum of the Presa Sea Region, Father Marcin Kanowski, Superior of the Krakow Province, PLS, and Father Bogdan Nowak, Parish Priest of the parish dedicated to St. Joseph. The second Women's Youth Day was held from the 2nd to the 4th of June at the São Vicente Institute. It was organized by the Empire Salesian Social Work in Campo Grande. During these days, the young participants were able to reflect on their lives, share experiences, participate in enriching lessons and moments of spirituality through the Eucharist and adoration of the Blessed Sacrament. The support and organization team for the event, comprising educators, Salesians of Don Bosco and participants who took part in the first edition, was essential for the event's success. Women's Youth Day is just the beginning of a journey that aims to lead participants to build a better future for themselves and the world around them. The National Mary Help of Christians meeting was held at the San Miguel Salesian House on the 3rd of June. The theme for the meeting was Together with You, Mary. The event, open to the entire Salesian family in the country, was held in the presence of the members from Argentina South Province ARS and online for those from the Argentina North Province ARN, in an atmosphere of common gratitude to God for the gift of Mary Help of Christians. During the day, in a typically Salesian atmosphere, the themes of the Rector Major's 2023 Strena and the role of Mary in the life of church were explored. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.